friends. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not working on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart, and you will click here in this window. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.